Today we're embracing the ritual of cooking with a broiled miso salmon bowl featuring Seatopia's Cook Alpine King Salmon. We began by creating a miso marinade inspired by Nobu's iconic recipe, blending sake, mirin, and miso, plus coconut sugar. As it simmers, we stir with patience, letting the mixture thicken and reduce by half, careful not to rush. This is where the ritual begins, taking our time to let the flavors develop fully.
Omega rich is profound. Oh, we're dancing by the stove.
The marinade is ready. We'll cool it quickly before coating each piece of our sushi-grade king salmon with care, ensuring every inch is covered. We then place the salmon in the fridge where it will marinate for a full 48 hours. This extended process allows the miso to deeply penetrate the fillets, infusing them with flavor while we wait, knowing this time and attention will be worth it. When it's time to cook, we'll gently brush off the excess marinade to achieve that ideal caramelization before transferring to a fresh baking sheet with parchment paper and a fresh thin layer of our miso marinade will be reapplied before sliding the fillets under the broiler.
Family moments we love. Seafood so pure and clean.
Kept a watchful eye at the edges as they started to turn that deep golden brown. We're looking for that beautiful color, knowing that we're close to the moment of enjoyment. Though we were aiming for a medium rare, after 8 minutes, the salmon reached about 130 degrees. Even off the heat, it continued to rise to 150. Regardless, the end result was still incredibly delicious and flavorful. Finally, we're ready to plate the salmon, put it on a bed of sushi rice, accompanied by blanched purple broccolini, tangy pickled onions, and creamy avocado. A sprinkle of fresh scallions added brightness, and top it off, we include a generous spoonful of Seatopia's Salmon Roe. This recipe is a reminder that cooking is more than just a task. It can be a ritual. By planning ahead, putting love into the process, and being mindful of each step, we create something truly nourishing for ourselves and those we share it with.
Family moments we love.